Hi super achievers, students and parents. And this video is for 10th class students and their parents. Have you selected your stream? Because 10th results are going to be published after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. All state boards, CBSE, every boards, they will publish their 10th class results. So have you decided your stream? Then it is okay still you watch this video, because what happened, recently one of my friends, since I'm staying in village, see, village persons are also concerned about their child's how to select their streams. So he came to me and asked me, since her daughter, she has appeared for 10th board and results are going to come, so what to do next, how to select the streams, how to select the careers. He was asking me. I told him, let me first meet your daughter. We'll discuss first. So I met her daughter. I discussed. He just told that I'm going to take PCB, that is biology, because I want to be a doctor. Straightway, I asked a question: why you want to be a doctor? Why you want to be a doctor? See, general answer what children they know, no? Students they know, that I want to serve people. But this is not actually if you see the answer, they have something in their mind. They are not clear. They are confused. If you see, they don't know what is the life of a doctor. Just they have been told, it is their mind that if you become a doctor, you have a status in the society, you earn a lot of money, and this is that there. Those things are there in their mind. Any average student that you take. That's why 24 to 24 lakhs of students appear for NEET, and the seats are around, if you take the general students, it is 55,000 seats in government colleges, and out of that there will be reservations. So there are, how percentage, what is the percentage? 0.1 percentage, I think, or maximum 1%. I have to calculate, I'm not sure. So in my last video, last video, I have explained that you can go through NEET pressure, that is the video name. So today we'll see how to select your stream after 10th, and there is a disaster way. We'll discuss what is the disaster way and the smart way, or the real way you should select your streams. Please stay with me. It is a video for 10 to 12 minutes. Have patience, and please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and hit the bell icon. See, I am building a community of super achievers. So it is possible through you only. I can reach students and parents through you only. If you can share my videos and channel, I'll be very grateful to you. So let's come back to our topic. That is how to select your stream in a smart way, not the disaster way. First, let us know what is the basic thing about stream. How many streams are there? 3 streams, you know very clearly. It is arts, commerce, and science. Arts streams means what is there in your mind. You can become a teacher, you can become a psychologist, you can become a civil servant, and you can become a clerk, or you can become a professor, like that. That is in your mind. Commerce means you do chartered accountants, company secretaries, man. These things are there in your mind. And third is science, which is the premium stream as per our concept, Indian concept. Science stream means you become a doctor, engineer. These are the main streams, main careers. This is all. You see, we know around 7 to 8 career options with the streams, but we don't know what are the latest, what are the new age careers. Many of you may be knowing, but you are not clear. So this is the basic about the streams. And if you are not interested to go to study for science, arts, or commerce, and you are more technical, want to study diploma in engineering or ITI, that is a separate subject we can discuss later on. If you are interested, then I can make a video. This is simple. If you are not interested for general lines, then you go for technical lines. Simply you go straight technical lines. This diploma in ITI that you clearly know. Now, this is very critical. Let us see what is the disaster formula that we follow in selecting our careers. What is the disaster formula? Marks obtained decision, marks based decision, parental decision, then herd mentality and lack of awareness. See, what is the formula? How you stream selection is equal to marks based decision, parental pressure, herd mentality and lack of awareness. You get your stream. So first one is your mark based decision. Suppose you scored around 80 to 90% in your 10th board. Simply you say, I have scored 90% or 80%, so I should go study science. We see science as a premium stream. That's why it is there in our mind. It is a societal rule that when you are keeping more percentage, you should choose science. See, based on marks shows your past. What you have done, it is your past. But what is your future passion? That doesn't show you. So it is better, the stream selection, it is based on your interest. The stream selection should be based on your interest, what is your ability, and what are the market opportunity available. These are the three things that you should follow: your strength or interest, your ability, and market opportunity available. And it should not be based on your marks, because growth, your future growth doesn't depend upon your marks. Be clear on this. Second disaster formula, it is your parental pressure. Parents are not wrong. Whatever they see, whatever they have past experiences, whatever they discuss with their friends, they only advise you. Since my father is a doctor, you also see, if my father is a doctor, I should become a doctor. Then some of your uncles, my uncle says that chartered accountants, they have a very good status in the society, they are earning more. Chartered accountant, because CA exams, only 2% students pass the CA final exam. That's why it is a premium career option, chartered accountants. So it is status and money somewhere in our mind. But today's job market is actually global, and a lot of things are happening that we are knowing, but still we are stick to the general or the societal rules. Third, let us go to the third one. It is herd mentality. Herd mentality, whenever somebody, suppose your friends are choosing your science subject, you also think that no, they are choosing, that's why my friends are choosing science, so I should go in science. This herd mentality. Whatever they do, you follow. You don't use your mind or brain. And your parents also, they have also herd mentality. They will also say to you, her daughter is pursuing biology, she is going to become a doctor, so why don't you choose a PCB, physics, chemistry, biology in your 11th and 12th and become a doctor? This is your herd mentality. Stream selection, actually it is yours. You get the knowledge, don't confuse. Get the knowledge, all the knowledge, but decision has to be yours. Because later on, you cannot blame anybody, because you are taking your actions. If you start blaming, you cannot grow in your life. It is also very critical. Last one is lack of awareness. Awareness, I don't think you are having lack of awareness, because if you are lack of awareness, that means it is a crime for you. A lot of informations are available. You can choose a mentor to guide you, or you can choose your teacher who can guide you better way. And technology, information, everything is available, internet, YouTube. So which stream gives you which career, whatever, it is available. But lack of awareness will be like, suppose you listen to only someone, like to your parents or to your friends. You should listen to everybody and have gained the awareness. This is also a disaster formula. Stream is not your, what do you say? It is a fashion trend. It actually the foundation for next 5 to 10 years of your life design. How you are going to design your life. It is a foundation. Because once you selected your stream, you go in that line only. Later on, if you want to change, it is a little bit difficult, but nowadays it is possible to change. But why? Why should you think of that? Why not start on the right way from the beginning? Let us see what is the right way. Right way or the SMART formula. You ask question to yourself. What type of work I do really love to do? And which subjects are interesting to me? Like if you want to go medicine, ask why I'm interested for medicine. What can I do if I become a doctor? How I am going to live my life? How I am going to design my life? Go and asking. Explore future careers. Lot of future career options are there available. That if you don't know, you can take help of me. So future or emerging careers in sciences, space technology, then biotechnology, health. Definitely health means it will physiotherapist, then doctor is available, nurses, okay. Then environment scientists and emerging and renewable energies. Then agriculture is now also emerging. Many of students are opting for agriculture, commerce, business analyst, then consultants, fintech experts, financial experts. Arts can become digital creator, mental health person, supporting persons. Psychology, you can become a psychotherapist or psychologist. Economic analyst, you can become an economic analyst or advisor in banking, investment banking also you can do, in commerce also, investment banking, a lot of options are there. If you need any help, you can contact me, I can help you out. See, now it is also a critical part. Academic is okay, but skills also you have to develop parallelly. Books knowledge is okay, but skills also you must develop parallelly. Please take small courses, online courses based on your skill, like digital marketing or digital literacy, artificial intelligence, problem solving skills, creative skills, innovation skills, basic financial knowledge. It is very much required nowadays, basic financial knowledge. So if you are confused, I am there to help you. And you know, I asked my friend's daughter to take the stream selection AI test. She has taken, I will attach that test report also, you can see. And her selection is coming rightly. It is coming biology, physics, chemistry, biology, also physics, chemistry, math. Both are coming in parallel. So we have to decide how we have to go. And it is a advice to parents. Please guide your child, don't force them. And student, follow your heart. Get awareness about your careers, your life, and what are the opportunities available in the market. If you are really interested to take the help of my, please DM me directly. If you like this video, please share among your friends who might be needing this help, and you are helping your friends or relatives, and you are also helping me to reach millions of students and parents. And wait for my next video. If you need any video, any subject video or anything that you want for clarification, you can DM me. I can make a video on those. All the love, all the power.